Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Introduction to Public Speaking. Lecture 8. Speech Organization and Structure. Effective speeches require strong organization and structure. The structure of a speech should include a strong introduction, main points with supporting details, and a memorable conclusion. A well-organized speech allows the audience to easily follow and understand the message being delivered. In conclusion, speech organization and structure play a critical role in delivering a coherent and impactful message to the audience. A well-organized speech follows a logical flow, allowing the audience to easily understand the main points and the overall structure of the presentation. By employing techniques such as an attention-grabbing introduction, a clear thesis statement, smooth transitions between ideas, and a memorable conclusion, speakers can effectively guide the audience through their speech. Additionally, structuring the speech with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion helps maintain the audience's attention and ensures that key points are emphasized and reinforced. Developing a strong introduction. The introduction of a speech should grab the audience's attention and create interest in the topic. Effective introductions can include a personal story, a surprising fact, or a rhetorical question. A strong introduction sets the tone for the rest of the speech and can make or break the audience's engagement. In conclusion, developing a strong introduction is a vital component of delivering a compelling speech or presentation. A well-crafted introduction captures the attention of the audience, establishes a connection, and sets the tone for the rest of the speech. By incorporating attention-grabbing techniques, such as storytelling, provocative questions, relevant statistics, or compelling anecdotes, speakers can immediately engage the audience and create an atmosphere of interest and curiosity. Additionally, a strong introduction includes a clear and concise thesis statement that outlines the main purpose or argument of the speech. This helps the audience understand the direction of the presentation and what they can expect to gain from it. Organizing main points and supporting details. The main points of a speech should be organized in a logical and easy-to-follow order. Supporting details such as statistics, examples, and anecdotes can be used to reinforce the main points. Organizing main points and supporting details helps the audience to understand the message and remember it after the speech is over. In conclusion, organizing main points and supporting details is crucial for delivering a coherent and effective speech or presentation. A well-structured organization ensures that the audience can follow the flow of information and understand the relationship between different ideas. By grouping related points together and using clear and logical transitions, speakers can create a smooth and easy-to-follow structure. Additionally, providing supporting details, examples, evidence, or anecdotes helps to strengthen and reinforce the main points, making the information more compelling and persuasive. By organizing main points and supporting details effectively, speakers can enhance the clarity and coherence of their message, facilitate understanding, and leave a lasting impact on the audience. Transitions and signposting between sections. Transitions are used to smoothly move from one section of the speech to another. Signposting is used to signal the audience that a new section is beginning. Effective transitions and signposting help the audience to follow the speech and prevent confusion. In conclusion, using transitions and signposting between sections is essential for maintaining the coherence and flow of a speech or presentation. Transitions serve as bridges between different sections, helping the audience follow the progression of ideas and understand how they relate to each other. By using words and phrases like first, next, in addition, or on the other hand, speakers can smoothly guide the audience through the presentation. Signposting, such as clearly stating the agenda or summarizing key points before moving on to the next section, provides a roadmap that keeps the audience informed and engaged, creating memorable conclusions. The conclusion of a speech should summarize the main points and leave a lasting impression on the audience. Effective conclusions can include a call to action, a memorable quote, or a personal reflection. A strong conclusion leaves the audience with a clear understanding of the message and a sense of motivation to act on it. In conclusion, creating memorable conclusions is a critical aspect of delivering a powerful speech or presentation. A well-crafted conclusion leaves a lasting impression on the audience and reinforces the main points of the message by summarizing key ideas, by grouping related points together and using clear and logical transitions. Speakers can create a smooth and easy-to-follow structure. Additionally, providing supporting details, examples, evidence, or anecdotes helps to strengthen and reinforce the providing a call to action or leaving the audience with a thought-provoking statement or memorable quote. Speakers can make their conclusions impactful and memorable. Additionally, incorporating a sense of closure and emphasizing the significance of the information presented helps to leave a strong and lasting impression. By investing time and effort in creating memorable conclusions, speakers can effectively reinforce their message, inspire the audience, and ensure that their presentation has a lasting impact beyond the final words spoken. Calls to action. A call to action is a specific request for the audience to take action based on the message of the speech. Effective calls to action are specific, actionable, and achievable. Including a call to action in the conclusion of a speech can increase the likelihood that the audience will take action. In conclusion, incorporating calls to action in speeches or presentations is a powerful technique for motivating and inspiring the audience to take specific steps or engage in desired behaviors. By clearly articulating the desired action and providing compelling reasons and benefits for taking that action, speakers can encourage the audience to make a meaningful change or contribute to a cause. Effective calls to action are persuasive, concise, and tailored to the audience's interests and values.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.